Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on November the 21st, 2019. Global shares drop amid fiction over Hong Kong. Global stock indexes fell on Thursday amid fresh controversy between Washington and Beijing over U.S. legislation on Hong Kong, which threatened to delay Phase 1, a long-awaited trade deal. Chinese mainland shares declined 0.3% and Hong Kong's Hang Seng index lost 1.6%. Overall, MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan fell 1.2% to a 3-week low, while Japan's Nikkei decreased 0.4%. European shares were on course to extend their losses, with the pan-European Euro Stoxx 50 futures was 0.62% lower, German DAX futures tumbled 0.68%, and Britain's FTSE futures slumped 0.48%. US S&P 500 futures traded 0.15% down, having dropped as much as 0.6% in Asian trade. BMW buys 10 billion euros worth of battery cells. German carmaker BMW on Thursday said it had ordered more than 10 billion euros $11.07 billion worth of battery cells from Chinese company Contemporary Amperex Technology Co., CATL, and Samsung SDI. BMW said it had boosted its order with CATL to 7.3 billion euros from an original booking announced in mid-2018 that was worth 4 billion euros. At the same time, German car giant signed a battery supply contract with Samsung SDI worth 2.9 billion euros. Both contracts would last from 2020 to 2031. Furthermore, BMW plans to have 25 electrified models in its offering by 2023, with more than half of them fully electric. It expects sales of electrified vehicles to double between 2019 and 2021. Singapore's Carousell obtains $850 million value. Singapore-based online marketplace Carousell, which helps people to buy and sell second-hand goods, started cooperation with Telenor ASA 701 Search in a deal that values the merged company at more than $850 million. Carousell will absorb 701 Search, which owns online marketplaces in Malaysia, Vietnam, and Myanmar, as part of the equity and cash deal, according to a statement on Thursday. Telenor will invest $20 million into Carousell and become the single largest minority shareholder with a 32% stake in the combined company. This deal will help Carousell to bolster its position as Southeast Asia's biggest classifieds business. Canaan Inc. raises $90 million during U.S. listing. Bitcoin mining company Canaan Inc. raised $90 million after pricing its U.S. initial public offering at the lowest of its targeted price. China-based company sold 10 million American depository shares for $9 apiece on Wednesday. The shares had been marked for $9 to $11, according to filings with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The offering was led by Citigroup Inc., China Renaissance Holdings Ltd., and CMB International Capital Ltd. The shares are expected to be in trading Thursday on the Nasdaq Global Market under the symbol CAN.